When I'm speaking with people about starting and building successful accounting firms, there's two things I always start with. It's first of all, do they have the confidence and the competence to actually move forward and succeed at this? The competence is very simple. It's the skills. Do you have the ability to go out there and do the work and do it efficiently and profitably so you can actually get paid well for what you're doing? If you don't have the competence to do the work, then you run into the problem of, yes, maybe you can do the job, but it's taking you so long, you're just not getting it done efficiently and profitably. But the other problem is you don't want to get out into the marketing, say you can do something, and then just not have the skill sets to provide that service. So competence is obviously a clear thing that you need to be aware of and understand. But the confidence, the ability to look the business owner in the eye and say that you can take care of their accounting needs, that you can help them understand what's going on in their business from an accounting perspective is huge. And that confidence is what you use when marketing to acquire and retain your clients. And so those two key elements obviously play very well together as to what it is that you need in order to be successful starting and building your own practice. Now, the next thing, though, that I want to emphasize is here at Universal Accounting Center, as I'm working with individuals and helping them start and build their practices, the thing that I clearly see, and it resonates time and time again, is what are the things that they're missing in order to first market. You have to first go get the clients. As good as an accountant you may be, unless clients, it doesn't matter. But it's at the same time, it's then find and retain those clients. It's now provide the services that wow them so that they continue to want to pay for your services. So I bring this up because there are two things that I think help with this, and it's the credentials and the marketing plan that you use to go out and actually acquire the clients. And so what we want to do here at Universal Accounting Center is help you understand that there is a turnkey method. There is a method to the madness. There is a science and an art to starting and building successful firms. And having done this since 1979, you're doing because you are known in the family or in the community as that accounting expert. And we're perfect. But we're going to help you do it so that you're actually more efficient and paid well for the work that you're doing. Now, with the person that wants to do this as their primary income, it's not just a side, it's actually a focus of their priorities. What we're trying to do here is now also help you grow a business that is efficient and profitable so that you can now take it even beyond yourself and find and retain employees that can do the work that you're proud of so that you can actually have them do the work that clients are needing. So what we want to do here is just talk about four things that I always find at this point become critical to the success of an individual succeeding in starting and building their own practice. And the first thing that I'd want to point out is time. The second is money. The third is commitment, and the fourth is knowledge. Just to put it in simple terms, money, time, commitment, and knowledge. Now, to talk about money, obviously it takes money to make money. So if you're trying to start and build your businesses, you got to figure out where am I going to spend my first dollar so that I can get another $2 back. So we want to be intelligent about that. And Universal Accounting Center with this turnkey process can actually help you efficiently start and build your successful practice for hundreds of dollars, avoiding some of the costly mistakes that other people have taken and avoid the $1,000 mistakes that are out there. For just hundreds of dollars, you can start and build and successfully start getting clients offering accounting services. It's phenomenal. It's amazing. It's basically a business in a shoebox, but more importantly, it's something that you can take and grow at your own pace. The second thing is time. I already said it earlier, you've got with the opportunity of doing this part-time or full-time, the choice of how fast and how large do you want your practice to be? Is this something that is generating for you hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars? I mean, what scope are we looking at here? And what we do at Universal Accounting Center is help you identify what will it take for you to reach your financial goals, both in time and in money. The next thing is commitment. I recognize this is your business. It's not ours. And as a school, we're very happy to help you move at the pace you're interested in growing. Do you want to find and acquire 1 new client a month, 3 new clients a month, 5 new clients a month? At what pace do you want to build your business? And we have programs specifically designed to help match and meet that need so that you're easily able to find, take on board, work with these new clients, retain them, work with them as you're growing your practice. It isn't a scary thing when you know the process, the system to do this properly. And the other thing is knowledge. There is actually a recipe, a system to follow here as you're offering bookkeeping services, accounting services, tax services. And as you build your practice, there's things that you'll experience as you're doing this as a solo entrepreneur, someone that's both finding the clients and doing the work, but also when you're growing your firm and you have clients that are working with employees of yours. How do you actually manage that workflow? All of this is possible. All of this is easily done. And I invite you to take advantage of this opportunity to go on this journey to find out what steps you need to do to take your business to that next level. Whether you're starting or in the building phase, Universal Accounting Center is here to help you actually achieve your success. Just understand this. If it's about accounting, it is universal. I look forward to seeing